Alright everyone, hope everyone's doing well today. Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be doing a meatloaf. I want to do it outside on the grill and smoke it, but I really ain't got time. But anyway, I'm going to put it in the oven. Very simple recipe. About 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm using 96.4. It's extra lean. That way there won't be so much grease in it. 1 envelope of Lipton soup mix, 1 egg, and some ketchup. Alright, let me get all my ingredients together and I'll bring you right back. Alright, I got, well, it's actually 2 1/4 pounds. You know, somewhere along there it's going to be fine. 96, lean, 4% fat. I just bought it from Walmart. Allergies kicking in bad. So this hamburger meat's gonna be cold. If y'all leave it out of the refrigerator 20-30 minutes, might help you out a little bit. And I'm using a disposable aluminum pan here, and you can use some kind of Pyrex. I think that's the way you pronounce it. Glass pan or whatever. If I use it, I would line it with foil first, so make the cleanup a whole lot easier. There's my 1 egg, and I already got it open. I think this onion, Lipton soup mix, or whatever you got, store brand be fine. You probably won't need to add no salt to this because it's already salty enough with the mix there. And I'm going to say maybe a 1/2 cup ketchup, and just thoroughly mix it. That egg to kind of help. I feel the sneeze coming. That egg will kind of help it hold together. Now if you want to, you can just dice up I reckon a medium onion, chop up a little bell pepper, put it, and that'll work too. Just however you want it. Maybe even some celery. So you can't get no simpler than this. Once you get it thoroughly mixed, oh, dang boy, come on, let's get it done now. Let's get it all squashed up here. Let me turn around the other way where I can work with it. Just kind of form it into a loaf like. That's why they call it meatloaf, ain't it? Or if you got a loaf pan big enough, I reckon that'll work too. But if you're using something like 80-20, you stand risk of your grease, you know, spilling out, overflowing. You know what I mean. That's what I'm going with the leaner meat for. Man, I love meatloaf. I don't make it very often. I think I do have a... It's been a while back. I could go back and look. I think I done it on a big green egg. Turned out good. Even my wife liked it. Ain't that pretty? Get a little spanking here. I think I got enough ketchup in it. It's your recipe. Make it your own. You gotta own it. Alright, maybe this won't crumble up on me. Oh, before you even start, get your oven preheated to 350. That way when you get it all mixed up and loafed out, you're ready to go. Now, this is the way I do mine. I get some ketchup. Make sure this camera's still recording. Yeah. Get some ketchup. Oven just beat. And I'm just gonna coat the top. Something like that. If you want to use barbecue sauce, use barbecue sauce. It's gonna take, let's see, it's going on 3 o'clock. It's gonna take an hour and a half. I'm gonna smear it out. Normally don't do this, but I got a glove on. Let's rub it, boy, rub it. Ain't that looking pretty? All right. That's ketchup. Using these latex gloves helps keep your hands clean too. All right. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. Get you in the camera here. 350. I'll probably check it in about an hour. There's 2 ways you can check it. You can cut into it. Turn around where y'all can see me talk. You can cut into it and see if, you know, you're done this. I like mine done. I don't like no rare meatloaf. And go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It's free. It ain't gonna cost you a dime. And I really need some subscribers. And I appreciate y'all watching. And I'll bring you back when it's time to check it up or check it out. Y'all, it's been close to an hour. I've got some taters boiling over here. We're gonna have mashed potatoes, some canned green beans. All I did with them was put some bacon grease and some salt. Let's check out the main course. Ooh, a little warm in there. I'm not going to cut it or anything. I'm just going to try this thermal pen. Y'all see that? 126. We out 39 degrees off. Alright. I'll bring y'all back about another 20-30 minutes. Alright, y'all, it's been an hour and a half. Hopefully it's going to be done. Oh yeah, it's overdone. 166, that's good enough. Only problem is I need 2 hands to take it out. So let me get this camera situated. I'll bring you back for the taste test. Matter of fact, I might show you mashing the potatoes. They done. Alright, y'all, we're gonna let that meatloaf cool off a little bit. That might be a pound or so of taters, I don't know. There ain't but 2 people here. Give it 1 heaping margarine, butter, lost the lid. I'll find it. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Go ahead and put this thing down. Lock it. Now, if you gotta like to mash them up old style, ain't nothing wrong with that either. I'm still with y'all. Trying to find some wood. Just a little bit of milk. Gonna call that about maybe a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Use sour cream too, but my wife don't like it. She loves the mayonnaise, so maybe a little bit more. 1/3 cup. Alright. I'm gonna put some garlic powder. I'll teaspoon of that. And just to make it curdy, we're gonna put some parsley flakes. They don't really add no flavor, it just makes it look better. I think knows what I'm doing. Now we're really gonna get it. That should be good enough. Alright, scrape it down. Might mix it up a little bit more. Yeah. Still got a few chunks in it. A few more parsley flakes. I'll scrape the sides down, so we're gonna mix a little bit more. Basically, that is it. All right. Now you know how I mash potatoes. Okay, I'll bring you back when it's time to do the taste test. All right, y'all. Here it is. Now I like ketchup on my meatloaf too, so y'all don't skin me up too bad. Let's taste these taters. I use sea salt to salt these with. Boy, I tell you what, I'm borderline. Green beans. They ain't too salty, but they doggone close. Alright, let's rearrange this camera a little bit. Make sure y'all can see my beautiful face. There we go. Right now, so far so good. Still steaming. Cheers, y'all. I mean, if you like meatloaf, you can't get no easier than this. I like to eat them in my mashed taters. No complaints. Appreciate y'all watching. Cheers again. See you next time around.